Hello, I'm Givson. I'm a fourth-year industrial design student at the National University of Singapore. Besides my primary major in industrial design, I am also pursuing a second major in innovation and design, as well as a minor in cities. And I am also concurrently enrolled in NUS College, pursuing interdisciplinary studies as well. As part of my experience at NUS College, I had the opportunity to stay on campus and make fond memories, being able to decorate the housing location that I was staying in, as well as spend time with my friends and peers. In industrial design, however, I had the opportunity to work on a lot of different kind of projects, some of which I'll be talking about today. The first of which is a module that I took in my first year, where we designed a series of conceptual buttons based on the theme. The second project had me explore how we could redesign the business class experience for Singapore Airlines. And we had the opportunity to work with SIA representatives to come up with our design, as well as ensure that the design that we designed for is relevant and business market ready. This resulted in Aerial, which is a concept that we designed for SIA to help to give the business class seat experience a more premium, luxurious finish. As well as working on projects for SIA, I also had the opportunity to work on my own personal project, designing a toy for children. In this project, I had the opportunity to explore how we could take conceptual ideas, the idea of movement, and translate them into a product, right, using a methodology that is taught by our tutors at DID. I also had the opportunity to work on business-related design projects. An example of this was a project with HP, where we helped them to reconceptualize how they could redesign their printing hardware, software, and experiential business. And this also allowed us to work on designing the user flow and experience, which some of you may be interested in. As part of my studies, I also had the opportunity to work with nurses from Tan Tock Seng Hospital to design for sustainable initiatives within the hospital setting, as well as to effect behavioral change on their patients. So as part of this, we designed a service where we could allow the patients to donate unwanted medical equipment that they might not need anymore back to Tan Tock Seng Hospital, and the nurses from the hospital will be able to loan this equipment back to patients who actually need them, allowing us to be more sustainable in our practice. We've also had the opportunity to test our solution with not just nurses from Tan Tock Seng Hospital, but with active aging centres from different parts of Singapore. In this instance, Care Corner, who validated our idea and was very supportive of what we were doing as students. As part of my NUS experience, I had the opportunity to go to Sweden for a year and embark on the NUS Overseas College program, where I worked for Eccentric, which is a hardware fitness equipment startup, where I had the opportunity to design actual products and turn ideas into actual products that were shipped to market. As you see here is the K-Pulley Pro, which I had a hand in designing during my time there. As part of my NOC experience, I also had the opportunity to work on my own startup with a bunch of peers, some of which were from the NOC program. And we took an initial idea that was done as a school project and changed it such that it would be market ready, as well as it would be something that we could pitch in a subsequent pitch competition, right? So this was Chingu, and what we aim to do here is to create a platform that would allow students and teachers to learn languages conversationally anytime, anywhere. And we pitched our idea to the CDE Innovation Day 2024, and we won second runner-up, which gave us $10,000 in funding, as well as office space at the hangar to incubate our idea and turn this idea into an actual startup. As part of my NOC experience, I also had the opportunity to go face-to-face with Spotify CEO, Daniel Ek, and listen to him share about his experience running a startup, as well as visiting different startups in Scandinavia, and also visiting different VCs, venture capital firms around the region, to pitch our ideas to them, as well as gain more soft skills when it comes to presenting my ideas and not just turning my designs into something that is nice to look at, but also something that people from different industries can understand, which is a very important skill to have as a designer. And DID did not just prepare me with a bunch of school projects that I just showed you earlier, but DID prepared me to be industry ready and has given me the skills to work in different kinds of companies in different industries, from the built environment to robotics. I also had the chance to work in consulting companies and also act as a researcher, right? And so if you're like me and you want to design your own personal journey as a designer, you can do so with DID and CDE, and I invite you to join me in this. To find out more information about the Industrial Design program at NUS, you can scan the first QR code for more information. And to find out more about what CDE has to offer to you as a prospective student, you can scan the second QR code for more details. Thank you.